Welcome to our YouTube channel Original iTech. So in this video I'll show how to recover deleted videos or retrieve or restore your all deleted or lost videos. So in this way you can easily recover your recording deleted videos or recover your screen recording videos or recover your download videos or recover your deleted videos from gallery or recover WhatsApp, email, messenger, Instagram, Telegram deleted videos. So in this you can easily recover or restore or retrieve your all type deleted videos. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video, and please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store, and after that open your Google Play Store. In this here search photo video file recovery. Scroll down. After that you can see photo video file recovery app. Please open it. Photo video file recovery app. Please install this app. After install this app, open it. After that choose your own language. I can choose English. After that right top corner next, click on it. So in this you can easily recover or restore or retrieve any type deleted videos. After you can see photos, videos, files, audios. So in this you can choose and open videos. Click here. So first of all choose date. You can see all within 1 month, within 6 months, within 12 months, customize. In some I can choose within 1 month. You can see I can choose within 1 month. After that I can choose apply. After that open size. You can see all is small, medium, large, very large. Open type. You can see all type videos in this here. Open it. Newest, oldest, largest. So in this I can choose and open these videos. So in this I can recover this delete or lost videos. After you can see restore, click here. In this you can choose any option. I can choose second option, watch and add. You can see restore to phone videos. So in this way you can easily recover or restore or retrieve your any deleted videos or recover or restore your screen recording videos or recover or restore or retrieve your download videos or WhatsApp videos, email videos, Instagram videos, anytime videos you can easily recover or restore or retrieve. So thank you very much, and please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Original iTech.